Today's video, we're going to be installing a Better Home Products one-sided deadbolt. We have our latch here, our thumb turn, stud plate, and our screws. The latch for this is just like the latch that we used on installing our single cylinder deadbolt. It is adjustable the same way. It does have the arrow to face up when installing. On this particular application, we're using a lock mount. On a normal application, one side of the door, there would be a skin over the hole so that the board would not go all the way through. What you'll do is grab your latch with the arrow facing up and then put the stud plate on the latch, like so. Okay. This stud plate can be installed on either side of the latch depending on your door swing. But most important thing when installing this stud plate on the latch, the stud plate is going to go on the inside of the door, facing the inside of the door. So put your stud plate on, slide your latch through, install your wood screws. Again, thumb turn, holes at the bottom, tail piece through the center of the horizontal spot on the latch. And then you will install the two long screws. Again, don't tighten it up all the way so you can make some of the final adjustments. And once you've done that, then you can tighten it up all the way here. Okay. Again, this side you would not normally see. This would be the outside of the